Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to make a quick video because I know some people are interested in the variable speed 20 Seer units. These are heat pumps and they are what's called communicating. Okay, so see there, so these are the 20 Seer line, not the 18. And I wanted to make a quick video on how these units are charged. Okay, so pretty much all variable speed systems that I've encountered have a specific way of charging them with refrigerant. So I'm going to explain how to do that. They all revolve very similar, but they are pretty much different at the same time. So for this particular model, the Trane variable speed 20 Seer split heat pump, that was hard to get out, you do it at the control or the thermostat. So I'll show you how to do that. Okay, you cannot just go up to the thermostat like a single speed air conditioner and lower the temperature, right? You just can't do that. That will not get this thing to charge correctly. It will not even ramp it up or make it increase to 100% just by turning it down 10 degrees. It doesn't do that, but you still do charge to 10 degrees of subcooling. You see right there. So I'll show you how we get to that point on how to charge it. It's very simple. Okay, so here at the control or the thermostat, it's got a lock on it, so we'll go ahead and unlock it here. We go to the service menu. We hold technician access. Okay. Go ahead and proceed. And under here, we're going to find test mode. We click on test mode. Okay, this is a variable speed system. So this is where essentially it's about 75 degrees outside. It's a beautiful time to charge it. But if you look at the instructions, it does say you need to charge it around, above 65 degrees. If it's 65 degrees outside, you can charge this. You can do this method. If not, you have to do a different method, which would be to check the charge through the heating mode. But we essentially go charging mode and cooling. Oh, it's already clicked on, sorry. And then we put next. Jeez. I just did 2 pulleys on a really old system. It was really nasty. Nails are all black. Anyways, so here, here it is. So when it says outdoor temperature must be between 55, okay, guess I was wrong about that, and indoor temperature has to be kept between 70 and 80 degrees. So go ahead and test it. Now this is when it's going to say, this screen right here says stabilizing. And we already know the subcooling is 10, right? Because it said it outside on the data plate. But it says here, run at least 20 minutes before attempting to adjust the charge level. So when this reaches about 20 minutes, it will say up here that it's ready to charge on this screen. So pretty much just hang out for 20 minutes and then we'll come back to the screen. But if we go outside, let's go see what it's doing outside. Okay, so here, the one that's actually running is this one. So that thermostat controls this one. But it's okay, they're both, 20 Seer units. So they're both Trane, 20 Seer variable speed units. But this is actually the one that's running. So real quiet, really quiet. So one thing I wanted to mention is that I'm not gonna put my gauges on because we pretty much, this video is not about that, right? There's plenty of videos I have out there on how to put your gauges and check your subcooling. You can watch those. But essentially, this thing's gonna run for about 20 minutes, and then the key here is I want you to be able to see on the display inside of the thermostat that it says it's ready to charge. So I'll show you when that comes up in about 20 minutes. Okay, so now we are back, and this is the screen that I was talking about earlier. You see how it said now, well, first it said stabilizing, and now it says okay to charge. You pretty much got, you know, I believe it's like an hour and a half to charge it. So we got about 73 minutes left. So here's now where by now you should have your gauges out there, your tank of refrigerant, your you know, clamps on there. And now, if you remember the data plate, then you go off of whatever the data plate says to put it to subcooling. And when you're done with that, then all you do is, well then, you know, once you're finished charging it, well, you just press here. May have been a little bit higher, sorry. You press that and hold that there. And see, now it takes you back to this screen. And, you know, we're not going to test it. We already did that. So now we're just going to cancel it, back, and then you're going to go home. And that's pretty much it. All right, lads and ladies. I hope you found this useful. Please like and subscribe. Help me get, you know, some likes, and it helps with the algorithm so that we can get more views. That way it's, you know, finally I can get hopefully 500 subscribers soon, okay? Like and comment, let me know what you think, and if you found this useful, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks. Peace.